Sometimes the loudest pain is the one nobody hears. Listen, I learned to smile with a broken soul, trying to fix what nobody knows. Every night I fought my fears, wiping away invisible tears. They asked if I was doing fine. I lied and said I'm doing alright, but deep inside I was falling apart, carrying the weight inside my heart. Every dream felt miles away, every hope slowly slipped away. I kept walking through the rain, pretending I could hide the pain. No applause, no helping hand, just trying my best to understand. Why does life get so unfair when nobody even seems to care? I kept calling through the night, searching for a little light. Every echo disappeared, like my voice was never here. No one heard me when I cried inside. No one saw the tears I tried to hide. I was breaking while I stood so tall, smiling on the outside through it all. But every scar became my flame, every loss rewrote my name. If nobody believes in me, I'll become who I'm meant to be. I remember every sleepless night, praying everything would turn out right, looking in the mirror, asking why, feeling like my soul had slowly died. People only saw my face, never felt the pain I had to chase. Every silence became my friend, wondering if this hurt would ever end. I kept running from my fears, counting lonely passing years. Lost myself inside my mind, searching for peace I couldn't find. Still I stood back on my feet, refusing to accept defeat. Every failure taught me more than every victory before. Maybe pain was there to show how much stronger I could grow. Maybe all the lonely nights were preparing me to fight. Now I know I'm not alone, even when I'm on my own. I'll keep walking through the fire, never giving up my desire. Now my voice is growing loud, I'm not hiding in the crowd. Every chapter made me strong, every scar became a song. I won't let the darkness win, light is growing from within. Even if they never knew, I survived what I went through. I forgave the ones who left, even when it stole my breath, because holding on to hate only makes the heart break. Now I'm writing every page, turning pain into a stage. This is more than just a rhyme, it's the story of my life. No one heard me when I cried before, now my voice is louder than before. Every wound became my strength, every step was worth the length. I won't hide behind my fears, I won't drown inside my tears. If nobody listening, they'll remember me in the end. Maybe no one heard me yesterday, but today I found my own voice. And tomorrow, the world will hear my story.